What's up, guys? How are you? Hello to everybody. Today is a good day, and I'm going to teach you how to do this simple database experiment. Now, this database experiment is based on views and subqueries. Now, views and subqueries are a very important part because views are essential, and creating a view will bring a particular part of a database into a picture, and we can simply restrict and if a person wants to if a person wants to seek our database, we can simply provide only the particular details which are required, not all the details, because some of the details may be sensitive and and confidentiality and integrity of that particular database should be maintained. So for this, we use views. The question number one is now create a view, customer view based on customer ID and customer name from the customer table. Change the heading of the city displayed as customer city. Display the content of the customer view. So we use the basic syntax. Customer create view customer view as select customer ID, customer name, city as customer city from customer, and then what we do select star from customer view. So which will display all the details of the view we created. The question number two says is select the view name and text from user view, data dictionary view. So what we'll do is what we'll do is as we have to display the only particular detail. So select view name, comma text from user view. Now this will display all the view names and the text related to it. Question number two says question number three. Using your customer view, enter a query to display all customer names and customer city. Very simple. Select customer name, customer city from customer view. So this will display the particular customer name and customer city from the view which we created. Question number four says is create a view named CA view that contains the customer ID, customer name, and customer address for all customers in city CA. Display the structure and contents of the CA view. So this was little tricky. What we'll do is create view CA view as we specified as select customer ID, customer name, customer address from customer where state equal to CA. Okay. Now this is how we make a view. The next thing is we'll display it. So simply describe will be used. So describe CA view. Select star from CA view. All the details will be displayed. Now question number 5 is attempt to update the address of Mary Smith to particular things which is given. Is the view updatable? If yes, is the updation reflected in the data in the base table? For this, what we do is update CA view the view name, set customer address equal to 4070 BKL Garia Street, where customer name equal to Mary Smith. So Mary Smith's address will be updated. Question number 6 is create a view V1 to display the customer name, order ID, and quantity. Create a view V2 to display the order ID, order date, and the date of delivery. So what we'll do is we'll say create view V1 as select distinct C dot customer name, order OQ dot order ID, OQ dot order quantity from customer C, order quantity OQ. Now the to create a view, create view V2 as select distinct O dot order ID, O1 dot order date, S date from order O1 supplier S. Now the third view which will be created will be create view V3 as select distinct V1 dot customer name, V2 dot customer name, V3 V2 dot order date from V1 comma V2 and V2 V2. So the another view from both the previously made views will be made a new view. Question number 10 says display the latest 10 orders. So select row number, order ID, select order date from select order ID, select order date from order order by order ID DESC where row number is greater than or equal to 10. Question number 8 says list the two order ID with least order quantity. Now we have to, as we know, we have to give the order ID which has the least order quantity. So select row number, order ID from select order ID and order quantity by order quantity ASC ascending where row num is greater than equal to 2. So row num is used, and as we have arranged it in the ascending order, so which is greater than equal to 2, that one only will be displayed less than or equal to. Now find the IDs of the customer who have ordered for cherry and red oak finish. So select customer ID from orders where order ID in, select order ID from order quantity where product ID equal to any select product ID from product where product material equal to cherry or product material equal to red oak. So the product material or product order material where cherry or oak, red oak will be displayed in the particular table details. Find the IDs of the customer who have order for the product table lamp using in. Now in we have to use over here. So select subquery will be used. So select customer ID from order where order ID in, select order ID from order quantity where product ID in, select product ID from product where product description equal to lamp table. So product ID from the product will be displayed which has the the description as table lamp. Now, find the details of the customer who have order for product ID 1000. Now, in this one, we have to use exists. So, select star from customer where customer ID in. Select customer ID from order where order ID in. Select order ID from order quantity where product ID equal to as being specified 1000. So, this will display the order product details of the customer who has ordered the product ID 1000. Question number 12 says find supplier whose total supply quantity is greater than some supplied supplier name BBB triple B using any. So what we have to do is select S name some order quantity from supplier group S name having some order quantity greater than any, so select order quantity from supplier where S name equal to triple B. So this will display all the triple B details. Now, question number 13 says find the supplier with the highest rating using all. So, in this question, what we'll do is select a state from supplier where rating equal to all, select max rating from supplier. So, max rating from supplier will be selected and the name will be displayed. 14 says, question 14, display the product that are same as the product ordered by Kathy Cook. So select product description from product where product ID in the subquery will be used. Select product ID from order quantity where order ID in another subquery. Select order ID from orders where customer ID in. Select customer ID from customer where customer name equal to Kathy. So this will display the products that are same as the product ordered by Mrs. Kathy Cook. Question 15 says that display the details, supplier details whose supplier quantity is greater than the quantity of order ID 103. This is a simple one. Select S name, S dot S name, S dot SID, S rating from supplier S where S dot product ID equal to subquery. Select OQ dot product ID from order quantity OQ where OQ dot order ID equal to 103 and S dot order quantity is greater than OQ dot order quantity. So this will display all the particular details. Now the last question, question number 16 says display the order quantity of the order whose order date is greater than order date of the order ID 106. So order ID 106 has to be accessed and order quantity of the order quantity need to be displayed. So for doing this, what we do is select OQ dot order quantity from order quantity OQ where order ID equal to any. Select order O dot O1 dot order ID from order O1 where O1 dot order date is greater than any. Now subquery select O2 dot order date from order O2 where O2 dot order ID equal to 106. So these are the simple HTML, this simple database queries and subqueries and views have been used to perform these particular tasks. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.